Alright YouTube, today I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to use cruise control on the 2017 FC10. So before you can even use cruise control, it has to be in 4th gear. So go ahead, get up to 4th gear, get to a comfortable cruising speed, make sure there's no corners, because as soon as you tap the brakes it'll automatically turn off. And then you have a little button here and you'll see it on the dash, turn on. So you have right here, you have set, which is down, and then the up arrow is obviously when you have it set and you want to speed up, and then you can hit down for when you want to slow down. But basically you hit set and boom. I'm being a really bad example right now by doing this around the corner, but watch. So you hit the brake and she turns off. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, just be careful, because once you tap the brake it cuts out automatically and you don't want it to like fling you forward or anything. I'm not sure how high it goes, or like when you're going 100 or 120, I'm not sure if you can set it. I mean, I'm sure you can, but